What's up guys, this is Kyle here from the Code Conspiracy, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you login and register. There's probably going to be many parts to this video series to make a login and register form, so yeah, stick around and learn how to build one in PHP. So let's get started. This page is called index.php, and in this page I'm just going to make a HTML layout, and I am just going to do this real quick. And inside that I'm just going to put a we'll just put some paragraphs tags. Welcome to my new website where I will be showing you guys at YouTube how to make a login and script. Okay, and just above this I'm just gonna put a H1 tag that says home, and I'm gonna put a line break there, and underneath that I'm gonna put some hrefs, and this one's gonna be register.html, and this one's gonna just say register. And then after that we're just going to have another one that's going to say, well, it's going to take us to login.php, login.html, sorry, and it's going to say login, and then we're just going to close that off. If we save that out now and head over to our web browser and go to local host, I'll click on YouTube and login and register. We've just got home and register and login. I'm just going to put a couple of spaces in and save that and refresh. I'll just put a new blank space using the and nbsp colon. And I'm going to save that. Fresh. New blank. Spell that wrong. NBSP. And fresh. There we go. We've got a gap between that. So go ahead and make a new file. This is gonna. I'm gonna save this as register. .html, and in this thing I'm just gonna copy and paste all of this, and in this one I'm just gonna get rid of this link here. Actually, we'll keep this actually here, and we'll just say register. And inside these paragraph tags, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a form. Fill out the form below to register, and then we're going to make a form tag, and the action is going to be equal to register underscore process.php, and then the method. The method is going to be equal to post. You could either use post or get, but we're going to be using post. And we're going to close the form. Then we're just going to say your username, and then we're going to put an input with the type of, it's going to be equal to text, and name is going to be equal to username, Then we can put a line break there. And then we're going to put your password. And the type is going to be equal to password. And the name is going to be equal to password. And you're going to break that off there. And underneath this, we're just gonna say repeat your password, and that's gonna have an input exactly the same as this, so we can just copy and paste it. But the name is going to be equal to repeat password. And underneath that, we can just put one more thing of your email, and that's going to be an input type, and that's going to be equal to text. And the name is going to be equal to email. And then we can break that off. Then underneath that, we're just going to put an input type is going to be equal to submit. Name is going to be equal to submit. And the value is going to be equal to register. Right, guys, that is the basic form. Head over to our browser and check it out. Let's go to our register page, and there we have it. We've got fill out the form below to register, and your username, your password. Your password is sort of blanked out, so is the repeat password, and all of this is just normal. And okay, so now we're going to create the login page and make a new file. Save this as login.html, and we're just going to copy and paste this code here, paste that in there, and change this word up here in that h1 tag to login. And we'll just change this to please log in below. The form action is just going to be login underscore process, and the method's going to be post. Your username and your password is all we need, and all we have to do is delete the repeat password and your email line. And there is our form. We can save that now and go over to our browser and click on login. And then we have a login form that says your username and your password, and that will log you in. In the next tutorial, guys, we're going to get working on the scripting that will make this all work. So see you in part 2.